Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can transfer your data to a new phone on WhatsApp app. So what I'm gonna do first of all is that I'll simply just open my WhatsApp app over here, and then at the top right corner I tap on these three little dots and then hit on settings. Now once I'm in settings, I'll look for chats. Just tap on chats over here and then scroll down and hit on chat backup. Now here you can see it says Google account none selected. You need to make sure that it's like this, because only then your data will be downloaded to your local storage. So now let's hit on backup. So this might take a while. Once your messages have been backed up, now what you're gonna do is you're going to go to file manager. Here's my file manager right now. I'm gonna tap here, then I'm gonna tap on main storage. Now let's hit on Android media and let's look for WhatsApp. I'm using this WhatsApp, this business WhatsApp. If you're using a simple WhatsApp, you can go for this one. I'll go for WhatsApp business. I tap on WhatsApp business over here and copy these three files. I'm gonna long press on these all and then simply just tap on copy. And now let's just paste it to your external device. So let's just say that my external device is right here. Okay, there's another external folder. Let's create and paste it over here. Okay, so once all your files have been pasted to your external device, now you can simply just change your phone. Okay, just simply transfer all of these files to your new phone. Okay, and now to show how this works, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you guys another cloned WhatsApp that I have already. I'm gonna open this up and continue, allow, and here on it should create a folder. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy these files from external. Let's just cut these up, move, and then go to Android media. Again, if you're using a business WhatsApp, choose this. If you're using simple WhatsApp, use this. Just do keep that in mind. If you go here and just let's say go to WhatsApp and paste it right here, all your backup will be stored over there. Now just simply type in your number and that should restore your WhatsApp to how it was from your old phone. And it pretty much works on all Android devices. It doesn't really matter. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.